As well as considering whether the complainant had the freedom and capacity to choose whether or not to agree to sexual activity, we also need to prove as part of each case that the suspect did not have a reasonable belief that the complainant was consenting to the sexual activity. A reasonable belief means that a reasonable person would have believed that the complainant was consenting in the circumstances. Or to put it another way, it doesn't matter if the suspect says that they believe the complainant was consenting, as long as we can show that a reasonable person would not have believed that the complainant was consenting in all the circumstances. On the other hand, if the suspect says that they believe the complainant was consenting, and it's clear from all the circumstances of the case that a reasonable person would have believed they were consenting, then that is a valid defence and the suspect will not have committed a crime. In some situations, the law allows us to assume that a person didn't consent to sexual activity and the defendant did not reasonably believe that they consented unless the defendant can show otherwise. This includes situations where the complainant was unconscious, drugged or spiked, abducted or had been threatened with violence.